Hello and welcome. This is Faisal with you. In this video, we're going to explain how to add a logo to a multi-page PDF file using Adobe Illustrator. As everyone knows, Adobe Illustrator is one of the best apps for working with PDF files, whether you want to edit them or add a logo, as we'll demonstrate in this video, or, in general, editing PDF files. So now I have a logo, whether it's an image, a PNG, or an AI file, that I want to add to this PDF file in just one step, using a single method. As you read in the video title, our explanation will be done in just one step. Let's take a look together. We're using Adobe Illustrator CC. Of course, this step works for Illustrator versions from CC 2018 and up. So let's see how it's done together. I have Finder here, Finder on Mac devices, or on PC you have Windows Explorer. I'll drag the file from here like this into Adobe Illustrator. And I click Open. Now it opened this box for me, which is the PDF import options, and it gave me some choices. Okay, the first step I do is click on All, so it takes in all the pages. I have 40 pages. Of course, this works for any PDF file, no matter how many pages it has. Yeah, I click on All, and here I need to check PDF link for optimal, which is for our file. I have to check that box and then click. After I opened the file in Adobe Illustrator, it showed up like this, with all the pages here. Let's see together how we can place the logo. I go to Place, the correct way to import the image. Of course, I already explained this in a video. Okay, I place the logo here and click. The most important thing in our explanation is how to get the logo to appear on all the pages in just one step. Let's say I resized the logo, made it bigger or smaller, and put it wherever I want on the page. I mean, I want the logo to appear in this exact spot on all the pages. So what do? It's a really easy method. I select the logo, then I do Command plus X, that is, I cut it, or Control plus X on Windows devices. Then I press Command plus Shift plus V, and you'll find it on all the pages. We found it on all our pages, thank God. Okay, if you don't want to use the shortcut for it, where else can you find it? Where else can we find the logo? You can also find it at the top in the menu. I go to Edit and select Cut from there. Then again, I go back to Edit and choose Paste on all artboards. You'll find it now on every page of the site you want, or on the site you're working on. Now, in Illustrator, if I want to get the file back as a PDF, I'm back here on Save AZ. And then I save it in PDF format, or I save it as PDF smallest file size or press quality, depending on what you need. Great! This way, it's saving for us. We just went through how to add a logo to a multi-page PDF in one step using Adobe Illustrator. I hope everyone benefited from the explanation. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments below and I'll reply. Thank you all.